Hello, it's me, Jimmy T, married with PMU today. Mast Fly, okay? Mast Fly, 3.0 millimeter stroke length, okay? Open box, of course. Now, this is a kit. So, let me open the box and see what's going on. Mast, yeah, always like the same design, okay? Always the same design. Now, they come with the manuals. Now today I try something new, okay? Try something new. Now the manuals, this is they have 10 pieces. Needle cartridge let you to try right here. Okay, the machine is a RCA adapter. I believe this is that you can use RCA adapter or the wireless battery. Okay, is I like the color pretty much. Now this pen is selling really good prices, include that everything. Okay, include everything. See what else they have. Oh, they have gloves. They have little bit gloves as well. So I have my gloves, my own gloves. So, oh, okay, this is a ink cup. They come with everything. So little ink, okay, whoa. This is a triple black. So, a little bit Band-Aid wrap the machines. Now let me try everything, okay? So what is this? Oh, this is the RCA cable. Okay, RCA cable with the USB Type-C cable. So this is what they have. Everything. Well, they have some practice skin. Now this is pretty much for tattoo. Oh, okay. So why don't try this one to do the little bit test. So this is all they have. This is 3.0 millimeter stroke. Okay, so similar with another machine like Siya. Okay, like this is compared to a little bit Siya. The grips about the same. The length this is longer, so I'm making another video. Okay, after this video I will combine all different similar Mast machines to do a test compare. Of course I love to do that, and then I think you love to watch as well. So which one will save you money? So now this one I put on the side. So now using the coverage, needle coverage. So see the needle coverage, what they come with, you know. This is SP9. I don't know what SP9 mean. SP9 2 Pro SP9. Okay, 1203 round liner. Okay, this is a 1205 RM. This is a Magnum, I believe. Yes, this is a Magnum. So there's two. So because of my major is PMU, okay, PMU 1203 round liner, I don't use much. Honestly to you, maybe pretty much like tattoo. So what do you want to see, like tattoo? Okay, tattoo then. Is it okay to do tattoo? Now I will compare as a PMU perspective. So they try to promote tattoo with this pen. I don't know. I don't know yet. Okay, this is like the practice scheme for tattoo. So now the voltage range is 5 volt to 8 volt. 5 to 8 roll. Okay, this is I already prepared the ink cap. So I just make sure like 2 machines is running. So Mast, sometimes I will give you surprise, like the machine you thought, okay, this is for PMU, but honestly, oh, this is for the tattoo. So it's okay. It's okay. Whatever they want to sell, I just listen and try, okay? Sometimes you will be surprised and figure out something. Now, if you want to do like some small tattoo, okay? How about this? Like small tattoo, is that okay? Now, small tattoo as a PMU artist, I suggest you to do, which is in the future, I will do more small tattoo. But this is what I'm saying, I have enough client every day, but some clients, they ask me, hey, can you do some small tattoo for me? Oh, why not? For fun. But why I don't do that? Like, this is the one of the major issue. This is what I thought. Maybe my hand is like so soft, okay, because I do too many PMU, the depth, something like that. If I go too deep, like if I could go a lot of tattoo, my hand will automatically go too deep. So maybe I control pretty well, maybe not, so I don't know. A triple black. Now always take a look at the ingredient, okay? So okay, this do the water glycerin base, okay, glycerin base, something like that. So take a look at, so it smells a little bit strong. So take a look at the ingredient. Can you see it? Like the ingredient? Yeah? No? Okay, this is like glycerin base, okay? Yeah, tattoo, why not? Like 12, oh. So why not try both, okay? So don't really laugh at me, okay? I'm not a professional tattoo artist yet, okay? Well, but if you think this way, I'm a PMU artist, like if I train myself to become tattoo artist, of course, it will take a little bit long time, but will be faster than you start with basic. That's just as simple as that. For example, if you're a tattoo artist, when you train yourself to become a PMU artist, it's a lot faster with someone they really don't know. Now this is 3.0 stroke length. Okay, this is, let me turn on the machines. So I adjust it to maybe 7.5. Let's see what's going on. Let's start the machines now. The middle button is like starting the machines. Okay, so 3.0 millimeter stroke. So I hand out about 1.5. Oh, pretty good. You can like, each turn is like little lock, so not easy to lose. So far, so good. So give me the feeling that the machine just look like it's Siya a little bit, but I want to figure it out. Is it Siya? Siya, they sell very expensive, like almost like 200, but sometimes you can get some discount. What is this like? Come on, man, it's like really bendy. So, okay. So let me wear my clear and start. So let me draw a heart. Okay, yeah, pretty good. How about shading? So write it up and see what's going on. Damn, honestly I love I love the ink. So I never really like can do like that like sharp line on the practice skin. No, now like because I'm so exciting. Okay, right now. Okay, don't wait for the next video. Okay, try to compare the Siya. Okay, my God, like this is not my plan. So I was running like 7.5 earlier. So yeah, always I figured out something new, you know, like always trying and figuring out something new. Or wow, the Siya cannot do the same work. Like I do one more try, is it? Oh, that's give me surprise. I tap very strong. Okay. Yeah, because I think it's my skill is not there, so pretty much it's pretty similar. So why we don't try the 1205? This is RM, I believe it's Magnum. Yeah, I didn't install right, so. Wow, like somehow better than the Siya, you know? Yeah, this is, I can create, honestly, if you like do a tattoo, I think mainly tattoo, this is okay. This was so funny. Yeah, this is, oh my god. Yeah, this is pretty good, honestly, my bro. This is pretty good. Like I was surprised, like very good for tattoo, like flying. Okay, so yeah, I will make another video like to see for the PMU technique. Okay, so far, damn, like the ink, I don't know if this ink is like safe to use in United States. It smells like really strong. It smells like my SMP ink, so I don't know, maybe it's triple black. Very solid, the color, oh my god. The black is really black. So, hey, you never know, like, but make sure they are okay to use. I need to do some research, or anyone knows, is it okay, like this ink? Damn, this is like triple black, it's really dark. Like I never can get like this dark on the pattern skin. Well, hopefully you like this video, but end up I try to compare already. I love to compare, but next video I will really move to another level. We'll be see you very soon. So right now it's around 6 p.m. So after like couple video I'm recording tonight, like boom, I try to push it on YouTube. Okay, so hey, thank you so much. My channel is growing really fast now. A lot of like worldwide different people. So we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.